Hello learners, I'm Shahita
And I'm Monisha.
and you're watching Learn Life with us. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss any of our uploads. Without further ado, let's get into the video. As of now, hope you all have a clear idea on what is blood, and you might have also known that different types of blood exist. Let us discuss about different types of blood in detail. The blood inheritance in human can be understood by learning about the antigens and antibodies. Blood types are defined according to presence or absence of certain antigens on the surface of red blood cells. The most important types of blood grouping are ABO blood typing and RH or rhesus blood typing.
The blood differs chemically from person to person. ABO blood type. On the basis of these chemical differences due to presence of antigen on the membrane of RBC and epithelial cells, ABO blood typing is done. Karl Landsteiner in 1901 discovered two kinds of antigens, namely antigen A and antigen B on the surface of human RBC. Based on the presence or absence of these antigen, Landsteiner classified blood into three types, that is Group A, Group B and Group C. On surface of Group A, antigen A is present, and on Group B, antigen B, and on Group C, both the antigens will be absent. Then later this Group C is renamed as Group O.
Later, in 1902, a fourth group AB was discovered which contained both antigen A and antigen B. The inheritance of blood grouping in human beings is determined by number of multiple allelic series. The three autosomal alleles located on chromosome 9 are concerned with determination of blood groups in humans. This was found by Bernstein in 1925. The gene controlling the blood type is labeled as L after Landstein or I meaning isoagglutination. I gene exists in three allelic form IA, IB and IO. IA specifies A antigen. IB specifies B antigen and IO specifies no antigen. The phenotypic alleles IA and IB are dominant over IO, but they are codominant to each other. Each child receives 3 alleles from each parent, giving rise to 6 possible genotypes and 4 possible phenotypes. The genotypes are IA-IA, IA-IO, IB-IB, IB-IO, IA-IB, IO-IO, and the phenotypes are IA, IB, IO, IA-IB.
Rhesus blood grouping. RH blood grouping, meaning rhesus blood grouping, is the second most significant blood grouping in human transfusion with currently 50 different antigens. Among them, the most significant antigen is the immunogenic D antigen. An individual having antigen D is Rh positive and an individual without antigen D is Rh negative. Rhesus factor in the blood is inherited as a dominant trait. Anti-D antibodies are naturally absent in the plasma of an individual. However, if a person with Rh negative blood is exposed to Rh positive blood for the first time, anti-D antibodies are formed in the blood of that individual. However, when a Rh positive person receives Rh negative blood, no effect is seen.
This Rh factor is responsible for the clinical condition in pregnant women called erythroblastosis fetalis. Rh incompatibility has great significance in childbirth. If a woman is Rh negative and the man is Rh positive, the fetus may be Rh positive, inheriting the factor from its father. The Rh negative mother becomes sensitized by carrying Rh positive fetus within her body. Due to damage of blood vessels during childbirth, the mother's immune system recognizes the Rh antigens and gets antibodies. The sensitized mother produces Rh antibodies. The antibodies are Ig The antibodies are immunoglobulin G type, which are small and can cross placenta and enter the fetal circulation. By the time the mother gets synthesized and produce anti-D antibodies, the child is delivered.
Usually, no effects are associated with exposure of the mother to Rh positive antigen during the first childbirth. Subsequent Rh positive children carried by the same mother may be exposed to antibodies produced by the mother against Rh antigen, which are carried across the placenta into the fetal blood circulation. This causes hemolysis of fetal RBCs, resulting in hemolytic jaundice and anemia. This condition is known as erythroblastosis fetalis or hemolytic disease of the newborn.
Until next time, keep learning because knowledge rules humanity. See you, bye bye. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications and leave a massive thumbs up. You can also leave a comment on what video you would like to see next. Peace.